So here's the last example, and it's your lucky day. It's a two-parter. We have the rate at which cars are exiting a freeway, E of t, is recorded at certain times. Now this is a rate, so cars per minute. These are the rates down here. Up here we have the times. And the first question is approximate the average value of the rate at which they're exiting using a midpoint Riemann sum. So we need to find the average value of E of t because that's the rate. So average value is 1 over b minus a. In this case, b is 30. A is 0. The integral from 0 to 30 of E of t dt. Now the integral of E of t, we're going to use a midpoint Riemann sum with 3 subintervals. If you want, as always, you can map it out like this and draw your rectangles. I'm not going to do that because I think hopefully most of you have enough practice here that you can do it like this. First interval is from 0 to 10. So that's a width of 10 for your rectangle, and its height at the midpoint is 40. So 10 times 40. The second rectangle goes from 10 to 20, so its length is 10, and the height at its midpoint, which is 15, is 47. And finally, the last rectangle, which extends from 20 to 30, which is 10. So this is working out nicely. Its height is 20. So take the calculator and determine what that is. Since everything has a 10, I'm going to factor out. I'm going to just do this mathematically here. I'm going to factor out a 10, this 10, this 10, this 10. So it would be 10 over 30 or 1 over 3. And I just have times 40 plus 47 plus 20. And 20 plus 40 is 60. And 60 plus 47 is 107. So I have 107 over 3, which equals 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. 3 goes into 17 6 times with 1 left over. No, I see I screwed that up. See, this is why I can't do this without a calculator. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 goes into 17 5 times with 2 left over. So 2/3. That's the average rate at which cars are exiting the highway. That would be cars per minute. And that makes sense based off of all these numbers. So the next question, hopefully real quickly, is approximate the total number of cars that left the highway during the 30 minutes using a right Riemann sum with 6 subintervals. So, out of the way. So we need the total number, so we're integrating the rate. This is not an average value anymore. This is just the integral of E of t. That will get rid of this rate. It will be total number of cars from 0 to 30. But now we're using a right Riemann sum with 6 intervals. So first interval, second interval, third interval, fourth interval, fifth interval, sixth interval. All the intervals are 5 long, you can see, and we're going to use the right values. So we have 5 times 40 plus 5 times 51, and so on all the way to the end. So 7, 33, 20, 15. Sorry about the mess. Just calculate it, or you can factor out 5. Just go 40 plus 51 plus 47 plus 33 plus 20 plus 15. This is one of my last videos, so I'm going to try to do this without a calculator. All right, so what can I see here? I see 7 and 3 add up to 10, so I'm going to add these first. That would be 80 plus 20 is 100. That's good. Plus 91 is 191. Plus 15 is 201. Plus 5 is 206 times 5. I'm getting 1,030 cars, and I would be very amazed if I got that right. If I didn't get it right, let me know. Um, but if I did, give me credit. Thank you. Goodbye.